You got the QD and the PR. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy First Place back again with another video. Today's video we're gonna be doing PRL high flow. What? High flow. What is this? The V2?
Yeah, V2.
V2 intake on this 2.0 manual transmission. Yeah, facts. Big brim. Ready to make some.
Yo, you're mad funny.
Alright, we already went ahead and unboxed this. We just gonna make sure everything there. Feel me? Make sure everything copacetic is in. Watcha, jaja, yacht. Brand new Air Force One yacht. You watched the video do that, right? We just see that? The Jamaican dude that was talking about a car. That shit was hilarious, bro. Now, all you gonna need the friggin' the titanium inlet, dog.
Oh, that's the next spot. Purchase.
What? Then y'all go really talk about something. Alright, so first, guys, you don't have to disconnect the battery, guys, to unplug the math, but we not do that. Oh damn, this truck. See it there? Why are you missing a clip from your airbox?
Niggas just, I feel like.
Alright, so you're supposed to have 2 clips. He's missing one. So he's gonna undo that. This is a 5.5. So we're just gonna take this off and then take off that.
Is it that?
Take off this the clip for the mass airflow sensor. And then on the box. Yeah, take it out. See it there. And then you just gotta remove the mass airflow with the Phillips. Yeah, it's not that bad.
Nah, filter clean.
For you, that's never been changed before. Right? Never.
Not that I know of.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all, sir. So next, we're gonna want to take off this little air duct. Just use a flathead and take these clips out. They give you new clips in the box. You see it? You see it? So, are you excited, sir, to get your first performance part put in?
Me?
Yeah, you. I'm
not new to this. I'm true to this. Just because the car is stock don't mean shit.
I'm saying to you, your first performance part put on the car.
On this car?
Yeah.
I wasn't in.
This is literally the first performance
I
part.
wasn't in no rush, man.
Well,
shit still not gonna make no power yet, so it don't matter.
I feel a little different.
No, it's not.
Sound wise, like you're gonna hear because I come manual, so we're gonna hear the thing I shift. When we shift, we're gonna really hear.
Gotta save all this.
Nice.
That's gonna go back in the PRO box.
Yeah, I left all mine in the PRO box.
Yeah. I feel like I'm about to get coils next.
I'm stuck on this harness.
Gotta get coils next.
Charge pipes.
Yep, that's next.
Right now, we're just.
All right, fucking guy.
Next, we're gonna take off. Them your little hose, yeah.
This guy.
I feel like I should just. I feel like I should just take this out and just leave it in, so I don't want to take these hoses.
No, don't make your life any much harder than it needs to be.
That's not making it harder. Because if you slide this out,
fucking cold, man. Hate Connecticut.
Welcome to New England. You see what I'm saying, right? I take it out and just pop this over there. You gonna see. Next. Alright. Because there's no head to loosen it, dog. Just leave that dangling right there. Take it all the way out from here now, guys. And
Mommy cooking something.
What should I cook?
Some saltfish.
I gotta figure out
some
how
banana.
I gotta try to finesse this up. Maybe I could twist it like that.
Finish.
Cause they got, I don't know why they do this. Like, so on steering columns, they got security locking nuts like this. So when you tighten it, the head break, like when it's like fully tight, the head breaks off.
So you can't take it off.
And that's the same shit they do with this. I can get this out. It's just, yeah, finesse. Yeah, finesse. Yeah, finesse, team. Where's it? Finesse. That's all I got?
Yo, you're funny as it's cool little todo, brother.
Swear to ya. Let's take that off and see if this is spinning.
I'll put your just fucking guy, bro.
Look, see? Just twist it right on. Just like that, guys.
This nigga think he's a fucking movie star, guys.
No.
Yes.
This goes on that side. So they got two different sizes. The bigger part goes on this side to go to the air filter, and the smaller one goes to the inlet. So we're gonna do it this way. Face him that way. I'll face him that way. I'll face him this way. Is it? Oh, where that little clamp at? That little clamp gonna be for right here.
So, let's just get right into it. Slide this on.
Hopefully this is not hard to go on. I think mine was hard as frick to slide on. Of course, I ain't bring no silicone lube.
Fucking guy. Now when you pop the hood, you about to see this. Shit about to look crisp.
Facts won't look stock no more. We need that Type R cover next. Okay. Right there. Now I got tight. Now I got tight in it. Now I got tight in it yet. Probably should. Yeah. I gotta slide.
What do you call that shit when the fucking shit pops up on your dash?
What you talking about?
We're not giving no fucking emissions code. No leaks, man.
Oh, no, you're not getting no chicken, right? But definitely get K-Tuner next. You don't need it. You can run this on factory flash, but still, we got manuals. You need it. Trust me. You want that rev hang to be gone. Rev hang is not it, Papa.
No, it's really not.
All right, guys.
On the charge pipe anyway.
Not this. The box.
Oh.
Yeah, look. You see the space. Just take the box off. But nah, you still want these to be tight. But trust me. They're okay. Them things that come loose. I think. What? How many of mine? This one came loose because I don't have this. I had this. That came loose. This came loose, and that came loose.
Yeah, your car is different.
And then the one that go to the filter, that cut coming loose too. Like,
I'm really mad I spent all this money on this though. Why the fuck this shit had to be $400? PRL is taxing. They need to make this shit more affordable. But it is what it is. Fuck it.
oh, somebody a bucket, you know. Somebody over there saw a bucket. In my bucket, brother. That goes in like that. Tighten this down too. I'm sorry. I bet you my 8 is not even in here. And guess what? It's not in there. So I gotta do it by hand. It's still out for you? I the thing.
Yeah, I'm still recording this shit.
Now come on, bud.
Kinda clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Watch out.
Is it raining?
Better not. Boom. Just like that, guys. Took me like 10 years, but Brother. Fresh me fresh. Fresh me blood clad fresh. See it there? Ooh, my back. Yo. So they give you this ring. So you guys just want to put this inside of the filter, and then it's gonna mate with the math adapter inside of the box. So I'm gonna put this all together, and then I'm gonna get back and show you guys what it should look like. Damn. All right, guys. So it should look a little something like this. That's 3mm. I think those are 5. Then you just put the back on. Those are 3mm as well. Now, everything left is this bracket. This goes here to support it down there, and then yeah. Okay, guys. So you gotta use the OEM.
Look,
grommet. You have to use the OEM grommet from the airbox for this. With the 10, and that rubber piece goes in the hole there, right there. So I gotta carry. You have to disconnect the battery. You have to unbolt the ECU to get this resonator free, so the box can push down in there. The grommet goes underneath the fuse box. I took it out because it was hitting against the ECU, and I don't want to damage that. So I'm just trying to get this from underneath here. Get back to you. Now,
you don't gotta take that little piece off, done it?
No, man, I'm gonna use it. Alright, what is that recorder? Now we have to finesse this blood cleat back in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Goes in a lot easier this time, so we took the shit out. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Fucking beautiful.
Wait.
I gotta make sure this shit is on. Let's see, this shit's on good. Get the fuck. What the fuck is you hitting on now? Oh. It was hitting on the thing, the grommet it's supposed to go into. It was hitting on it. So boom. See that now.
Don't strip the fucking shit.
Nah, chill. It fell off of the shit. See it there? Sturdy!
There you Now, gotta tighten this. Plug in the math.
Here and here.
Opening it, sir.
Come on, man.
Ain't no rookie, man. Ain't no rookie, man. You think he talking? This guy think he talking to guys.
He don't know that I'm him. I think he just met me today. He don't know that I'm him.
Oh yeah, I need this. I need this high flow in my life. Then it would have been some shit if I put the clamp in the opposite direction. You know my OCD. OCD kicks in, you know.
They call that dyslexia, brother. When it's backwards.
Yeah, look at how I like them to be nice and even, dude. First start, he got the big cutie short shifter and weighted knob. Just like me, I threw that in for him. Yeah, we're gonna. Huh? We're gonna have to go drive the car to get rid of all these lights. That sounds sweet, man. That sounds sweet. It sounds so good. Oh, he need. I'm gonna put air in his tires for him when I get back. I got the air pump in the car. Bro, he's gonna freaking love this. Oh my god. He just need to get that inlet pipe down pipe, front pipe, and exhaust now. He's set. He's gonna love this, bruh. Yo, he's gonna love this. He's gonna love it. Oh my. Which way do I go? Go this way. Oh no, I can't go that way. Dummy. Dummy. You need to put air in your tires, Brim. You got the neck pillow. I gave him my old neck pillows. I kind of want to come up his street so he can hear the intake. I know he's gonna be outside. Yeah, let me go back to his street. Yeah, he's gonna love this because his car is stock exhaust. Like, you're gonna hear it. God, he's gonna love it, dude. Yo, it sounds so good. I'm gonna go this way.
Please fasten driver seat belt.
I'm gonna go this way. Bloomfield PD. Chill out. Two Chris 6 speeds, huh? Yeah, I'm on Africa. Feel up the car now, yo.
See what she can do.
You calibrated 3 times?
I got to calibrate it 3 times?
3 times to the light blink. Then one more time. The light gonna flash. No, you don't light it like that.
I said calibrate. That's our system.
Do it again.
Do it again?
Yeah. Oh, I see that. Good enough. Road. Remember the D's over there. So go that video. Let's lock up the car.
Oh, that shit got air. Put on my seatbelt.
Yeah, that shit was beeping. I'm like, top nice. Y'all can see, I see. Already, see, you even gotta really press it. You hear it, nigga?
This shit's crazy.
I knew you was gonna be. Now watch when you.
I'm about to
Well, check. When we get to the stop sign, just look left first, cause he was down on that street. See what I mean about the throatiness? Like, if it growl. See if he down there still. Crawl up. Yeah, he down there still. No, is he? Crawl up more. It was a white one. Oh, he gone. He was parked right there, next to that MDX. Nearly dropped before the ride.
got some balls now.
You need a K-tuner. And cause our shit's got that rev hang, dog.
That rev hang is not it.
It's not it. This shit's mad silent. Like,
Is that a stadium? What the fuck this nigga doing over here? Go home.
he lived there. Hey, yo. He said, what you doing over here? Go home. Oh, he lived there. See, you don't forgot to go crazy. That shit loud. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the high blow. My intake temp's kind of hot, bro. Yeah, like you're running hot, and especially like when it idle, that shit get hotter and hotter.
Look at your twin.
He got the black fin too.
Yo, you come off of the clutch. Shit felt good.
Nigga, what? Look at this antenna on this dude's car. What the hell?
This thing got the antenna on the car.
Nah, what?
What are you tracking with that?
Yeah, that move, no. Nigga is sweeted. Yo. Dog, sweeted, man. Yeah. Alright, guys. finish my bath. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. Trying to put out more and more content for you guys, man. I'm about to start recording everything I do. I've been boys with Brim for years, man, since grade school. I mean, I lowered his car, did the acuity short. That's all content that I didn't record. So I'm like, let me record doing his intake today for me. And any other parts that he gets, I'm gonna record doing that too. I don't have a 2.0, so I mean, I know people out there have 2.0. I know I do this stuff, so I help out any way I can. But man, yeah, if you're new here, smash the subscribe button, man. Drop a comment down below, man. Like, turn on them post notification bells, man, and stay tuned for the next one, man. We out of here. Peace.